Physics is one of the most important and fundamental sciences. It tries to answer a wide range of topics such as quantum computing, medicine to gravitational waves. Our colleagues in the department also are trying to answer these questions using a variety of experimental tools and theoretical models.
This department started right at the inception of the institute, and it served the purpose of teaching as well as of very high quality research. In the old days, we started with spectroscopy, condensed matter physics, nuclear physics, elementary particle physics. But over the decades, we have gone on to include nanosciences, elementary particle physics with string theory, cosmology, also biophysics.
The Experimental High Energy Physics Group at IIT Bombay is involved in ALICE and CMX experiment at CERN, designed to study heavy ion collisions and proton-proton collisions at LHC energies. We here are primarily concerned with studying the properties of quark-gluon plasma and heavy ion collisions, which mimics the matter formed at early phases of universe. And we also study PP collisions keeping at a baseline, so it's a very challenging and exciting phase for us, and we are on to our task.
In theoretical condensed matter physics, what we do is to develop and use advanced theory and computational algorithm to understand the behavior and different properties of novel materials. In a nutshell, this basically involves utilizing the concept of quantum mechanics to understand different condensed matter problems at various time and length scales. To name a few, in our department we have expertise working in the area of density functional theory, quantum information theory, strongly correlated electron problems, and non-equilibrium systems.
So in experimental condensed matter physics, we explore novel materials which manifest quantum phenomena on a macroscopic scale. So materials such as those which go into hard disks and computer memories, materials which will power tomorrow's solar cells, superconductors which flow electricity without any resistance, topological phases, and so on. We measure properties of materials down to low temperatures even lower than that of outer space. So with all this work, we will unravel fundamental physics behind these phenomena.
Nanoscience has emerged as an important area of research as nanomaterials reveal new physics which is different from their bulk counterpart. The Nano Experimental Group here at Department of Physics, IIT Bombay, works on exploring the structure-function correlations in such materials. Broadly, the goal is to focus to understand the new physics at nanoscale and pursue projects of technological applications such as nanophotonics, self-assembly, and sub-wavelength imaging.
When a large number of elements interact together, complex properties emerge. Our nature is full of such complexities at every scale. Here in the physics department, we study such emerging complexities. With the help of fundamental physics tools, we try to answer questions such as how DNA packs inside a nucleus, how cells divide, how tissues develop into complex organs, etc. We also study several non-biologically motivated problems. We believe that trying to answer such questions will fundamentally or significantly enhance our understanding of nature.
The area of photonics deals with the science of light and its manipulation. We investigate how interactions of light with matter can be used as tools to solve today's real-world technological problems. For example, spectroscopy is used to analyze materials of different kinds. Nano-optics deals with scaling down technology to very small dimensions, and ultra-fast optics focuses on studying events happening in the atomic and molecular timescales.
The Astronomy, Cosmology and Gravity Group works on black hole physics, early universe cosmology, multi-messenger astronomy, gravitational wave detection, dark energy and galaxies. The group primarily contributed to the detection of gravitational wave by LIGO-Virgo detectors, which received Nobel Prize in 2017. It also did the follow-up observation of the golden binary, which was the neutron star binary system, with the Indian Astrosat mission.
Where does the spin of the proton come from? What gives neutrinos their tiny masses? What is the mysterious dark matter particle that appears to make up most of the universe? Does the top quark play any role in the Higgs mechanism? Are there any as yet undiscovered symmetries of nature that govern the rules that fundamental particles obey? Is string theory the correct description of nature at its most fundamental level? The theoretical high-energy physics group of IIT Bombay is trying to answer these fundamental questions about our universe.
Answering these questions is expected to result in a better world for all of us.
Our alumni have gone on to occupy very important positions in academia and industry. They have become innovators, professors at major universities, and even administrators.
Doctoral life in physics department is just awesome. With these diverse fields of research and the fact that research scholars are coming from different parts of the country with different regional and cultural backgrounds, we enjoy sharing ideas, philosophy, and opinion diversity.
To an undergraduate like me, the 4 years I've spent in the Department of Physics has been nothing short of awesome. The unparalleled support for exploring, coupled with the well thought of and well maintained facilities, makes us gravitate to the department building. The computer room, the library, and the seminar room become symbols of our existence. The department has been the shining light that has lit up the path ahead for all of us, making us who we are and who we become.